All right, it is okay to roll up your sleeves though and do some of the stuff yourself. I've got a list of things that you should not do, and I have a list of things that you should do. Andy, can you get me a water? Do not, please, unless this is something that you do for a living and that other people pay you for, don't demo a load-bearing wall yourself. But what you can do, demo the drywall, demo the cabinets. That's the best part of those shows, right? They get the hammer, they're like, ooh. I don't like those shows. I'm sorry, I rip on those things a lot. Demo drywall, demo the cabinets, do all the demo yourself. Don't take out a load-bearing wall, or any wall. Thanks, Andy. Don't change the electrical panel by yourself. You've all heard my story about how I did that. I changed out the live electrical panel at my house in Wilmington. It was live. The service was on, and I changed out the entire panel. Honestly, I have no idea how I'm alive. That's an absolutely true story. So don't change the electrical panel by yourself. Definitely don't change it when the service is on. You can change out the outlets and fixtures and things like that, though. Maybe. Watch some YouTube videos. Don't patch or rough in plumbing. You can set vanities, you can hook up sinks, that type of stuff. Don't do any plumbing work that's eventually going to be covered up in the wall if you don't do plumbing on a regular basis. Don't try to do your own drywall. I've said it before, you don't cut your own hair. You don't finish your own drywall, okay? And I always have some fool in the back that says, I cut my own hair. I'm like, yeah, I know. If you've ever seen a company that hangs drywall, I mean, they're going to get it done in a fraction of the amount of time that you'll get it done. It's going to look way better. But you can't paint. You want to paint? Paint. All right, go ahead and do that. But don't hang and finish drywall. Don't try to install your own tile. This is something that you do yourself all the time, and you're good at it. But you can't pick out the tile. That's easy. You point at it and say, install that tile. That's the one I want. You can go pick it up, but don't try to put it down yourself. You won't find out that you're bad at tile until about halfway through the job. And then good luck. And a lot of times if you're bad at it, you don't even realize you're bad at it. You're like, oh, it looks pretty good. Yeah. You probably have an ugly dog at home too and you don't realize it, right? Don't try to install trim or crown molding. Don't try to do, if you're not a finished carpenter, don't do that. If you're an accountant by day, you're not an accomplished finished carpenter at night. You can't hang doors, you can hang towel bars, do that kind of stuff. Right? You can save yourself thousands of dollars right here just by doing these things, right? And that money you save, you can hire people that really know what they're doing over here instead of trying to find somebody that's kind of okay at all this stuff.